Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Carl in Maryland on the Stryker SR-655HP version 2. Carl got it ready to go for you, bud. Our standard tune alignment and also the addition of the electrolytic capacitor upgrades and voltage regulator upgrade. Now Carl, you wanted this thing to turn down to 2 watts and up to 25. We did just that. Roll it down, I'll show you. 50 watt slug. There's your 2 watts. There's your 25, maybe about 26. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. About 37 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 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 hello. And about 84 PEP. Alright, Carl, it's ready to head up to you, man. Right around Maryland from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.